Today, we're taking a close look at the GRAMEGNA T3D double-disc shredder, designed for maximum performance in managing tough agricultural debris. Built for large farms and contractors, the T3D is a robust solution for crushing grass, pruning wood, and vine shoots up to 4 to 5 centimeters in diameter, even in the most challenging conditions. The T3D's 210 millimeters electronically balanced rotor and durable frame make it not only powerful but versatile. It's designed to combine with bilateral under-row tools such as the dual inter-row disc or the dual shoot remover, allowing for seamless work both in-row and between trees. This single-pass efficiency means significant time and labor savings for large-scale operations. For any farm needing reliable, high-performance shredding, the GRAMEGNA T3D is an investment in quality and productivity.